What makes top apps different? What is really something that when these applications get into the hands of the users, they really are delighted. They leave no space for disappointment. So what is it about these top applications? In this video, I'm going to share with you these magic beans that I have assessed in some of the top applications that I use and what really makes them special. First thing that I checked out is that these applications have search that really works. Like search is not a limited function, but even let's say on Google application, if you search even a wrong spelling or you search something that is absurd, it will still give you some results. Like there's always that handling of any kind of search in these top applications. Same goes for zero state handling. Like when you go on Airbnb and you search for an area or a place which is not yet available on Airbnb, they'll still give you something. They'll give you some reason or say give you some alternate results. So there's always this zero state handling by these applications. Third thing that I've noticed is that their push notifications are really out of the world. I mean, they really delight you. They really feel sometimes happy, sometimes funny, that when you look at these push notifications. Like you see in case of Zomato or Swiggy, you can see that every time they're enticing you with some sort of quick witty lines that talk about the application and then why you should be ordering right now. Then you have the applications having inbuilt gamification. I have seen that applications like Robinhood, you sign up to it, it will show you that you are in queue, and the way to get further in the queue could be sharing about this application. Or take another example, let's say you get some sort of a reward as soon as you sign up, and then that reward could keep increasing as you keep using the application. So that's another magic bean that I have found with these top applications. Apart from this, there are always some 10 other things like top security, making sure that it never crashes, making sure that the updates are very smooth, making sure that the user feedback is being considered. So these all things also is a long list, but I think that if you have to start somewhere, these 5 things really make a difference. So go ahead, check if it is happening in your application or not. If not, maybe this is where you can start. Follow me and the Zero Hiccup Way on all the social channels. The link is below, and make sure that you subscribe to it to get updates on building products, growth hacks, outsourcing, anything that you would require to build really great products. This is Ayush, and I'm going to be there, your Zero Hiccup guy.